This video is brought to you by Osmocote, the Planters plant food.
Hi, I'm Marianne Binetti, and I'm going to continue a talk that I started earlier about pruning hydrangeas. Now, most hydrangeas see this great big, what we call the big leaf hydrangea. They need no pruning. And if you have space, like I have space for this hydrangea on the side of my house, I wouldn't worry about pruning them at all, because hydrangeas do not need pruning, but this is going to be a lesson on how to prune them if they actually need some pruning. So let's come forward here, and here you see an obvious example of a hydrangea that does need pruning. This hydrangea has grown so much it is blocking this pathway. Now I kind of hated to prune it earlier because what I do is I use my hydrangeas to allow vines to climb over them. If you've seen in previous videos, I let clematis climb on them, and I let different plants. This is actually a climbing bleeding heart that is climbing. It's a yellow bleeding heart that I've allowed to climb up into my hydrangea because this dicentra or bleeding heart like shade, oh, hummingbird just jumped into my face there, just like the hydrangeas like shade. However, it's a little bit too happy, and so now I'm going to show you how I'm going to prune, and I'm using loppers this time because when I do light pruning, I'll use hand shears, but this is some heavy-duty pruning, so I'm going to be using these loppers. What I need to do is prune these branches all the way back so I can have my pathway back again. So the secret is I'm going to go in here and prune this off and show you how far back. I just follow this stem all the way back. Okay, unlike when I do light pruning, I'm pruning all the way to the woody growth. So you can see here, this is the brown or woody growth, the 2-year-old wood, but the hydrangeas bloom on the 1-year-old wood, this new green growth. So I'm pruning that all the way back. Yes, I'm cutting off some flower buds. That's what happens when I don't pay attention and I let these vines. Yes. Now, you can see I'm not being very careful. I'm basically just pruning off these great big vines. I'll use those flowers. And look what I find in here. This is a ornamental grapevine. I'm going to prune that back as well. And because it is summer and people are afraid to prune things in the summer, here's what I want you to realize. People come before plants. The best time to prune is when the pruners are sharp. If something is blocking your pathway, go ahead and prune it off. So now you can see I'm going to get to there, get down to there, and look at this. I'm not looking for a node. I'm not looking for a joint. I'm simply getting in here and I'm hacking all this off. Because after I have this major pruning down, then I can look back and say, I have a bare stump here. I can prune that out. I can tidy things up later on. But it's important not to wait like I did and have things blocking your path. And the real answer to this situation, I love these hydrangeas here, but plants that are predetermined to become giant monsters, like these great big hydrangeas, they should be given more room. What I'll probably end up doing is transplanting these into another part of the garden and going with some hydrangeas that are a little bit more compact. For instance, pistachio, which is a nice, more compact hydrangea. So this has been Marianne Binetti, and I'm getting back to work.
If you enjoyed these gardening tips, subscribe to our channel so you can get updates on new videos and stay in the know about all things gardening. Click the red subscribe button below. See the description below for more information about how to connect with us on PlantersPlace.com, Facebook, and Instagram.